Hello everyone. On this video, I will explain how to perform a SQL table restore using PowerProtect Data Manager SQL agent software. First, open Microsoft SQL Management Studio as administrator. Once connected, locate and open SMS plugin. Select Table Restore tab and under General page, configure restore settings as needed. Select the data domain where the backup is stored. Select the source SQL server where the database to be restored was protected. And select the database to be used for the restore and backup date. Under Options page, configure following settings. Mount folder defines the path where the backup will be mounted. Mount expire defines the number of hours to keep the mount of the database active. For big databases, restore can take time to read all data, so it is advisable to extend the time out of the mount to the maximum. For troubleshooting purposes, you can also enable debug. Once you have configured everything, run the restore. On Task Manager, confirm that the mount process is running. Once the mount operation is complete, ItemPwn software is started. Configure the data source pointing to the mount path we have defined on the previous page. Select the SQL server name and connect to the server. On top side, you have the backup mounted and the different tables. Simply drag and drop the different tables to the database you want to restore this table. Thank you for watching this video.